Hi everyone, today we're making some crispy seasoned chicken thighs in the air fryer. Here's how this one goes. I'm preheating my air fryer to 380 degrees, and here I have 4 chicken thighs. These were about 8 ounces each, making a total of about 2 pounds. Patting the skin dry to eliminate excess moisture. I'm in purge mode at my house, trying to use up pantry items before I allow myself to buy any new ones, so any of these seasonings would work. You can go through your stash and use anything you like, or make a homemade mix with basics like salt, pepper, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. This is a hard choice, but I'm going to go with this homemade Cajun seasoning today. I'll leave the mix recipe in the description if you're interested. 2 tablespoons will do the trick. A little EVOO to get things moving, and now just a rub-a-dub-dub. Work the seasoning into all the nooks and crannies, even under the skin. This recipe isn't really about which seasoning or flavor profile you're using, it's more about the method and timing. This will turn out juicy meat with crispy skin. I chose the thighs today because my grocery store had them on sale for 99 cents a pound. So these 4 thighs actually came from a value pack that had 10 total thighs for just a little over $5 total. I'll be making barbecue thighs with the rest of the pack for tomorrow's lunch. By the way, you could definitely wear gloves, but it's just us chickens here, so clean hands are the best tools in my kitchen. So these go into the basket, skin side down. Make sure to leave spaces between each piece so that there's good airflow. Work in batches if you want to cook more than just these 4. 12 minutes at 380 on this side. Then we'll flip and go for another 12 minutes with the skin side up. It smells really good in here. My cats are running around going crazy trying to hope for some chicken. Look at that, crispy, and you can see the fat bubbling down below where it drained off at the bottom. Nice. I'm gonna let these sit on the counter for a few minutes to cool down before I cut in. Ooh, still crispy on the edges, and still steaming hot in the middle. The meat is fully cooked through to the bone, totally juicy, not at all dried out. These are great to pack for lunch with some rice or a salad, or pick off the meat and make a delicious sandwich with tomatoes, onions, and mayo, or maybe even as a filling for wraps and pita pockets. As always, ingredients and instructions are in the description box. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment if you feel like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!